In today's video tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to use Bybit Pay to send, receive, and shop online and offline wherever you find yourself around the globe. I mean, I can send crypto to you, you can send crypto to me via the Bybit Pay, and if I decide to shop online, I can pay using QR code, all of this without paying additional fee. I only need to pay the exact amount of whatever I bought either online or in a physical shop. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. Now, in case you don't know already, Bybit Pay is a new product that Bybit just launched, and I will show you in a moment how to find the Bybit Pay using the mobile app. So what Bybit Pay allows you to do is to send, receive crypto and use it to shop online. If you're a merchant out there, or if you want to be one, if you want to leverage on the more than 60 million persons plus who are using Bybit, you can start receiving crypto using the Bybit Pay, and it comes in both ways. There are multiple currencies that are supported, so you can accept payment in fiat currency, and I can equally decide to accept payment via crypto. Now, if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually start referring other users and start making a lot of money instantly. You can refer both users and merchants to the Bybit Pay platform and start earning money instantly. So just stick with me to the end of this video. Bybit Pay is making life easy for both merchants and users, and let me just walk you step by step on how to use it. So the first thing we want to do, if you have not activated the Bybit Pay already, is to go to your app. I'm using the mobile app to do this. So on your app, once you open up your app, you see the option that says More. In case you don't see it here on your home screen, make sure you click on the More option. By the way, if you don't have a Bybit account, you can use the link in the video description to sign up for an account. Then you can start using all the product that Bybit offers, and you can get up to $30,000 as welcome bonus. So if I click on the More option, down here where it says finance, so just scroll down until you see the option, okay, finance. You can see the heading here, finance. Then you see Bybit Pay. So go ahead and click on it. I want to assume that you have not activated your Bybit Pay already. So once you click on it, you see that you can either scan a QR code to send, receive, or pay. Then you can just connect your payment details, confirm, and then payment is approved. Okay, so just go ahead and check this. You have read and understand the terms of service, and then click on activate Bybit Pay, and voila guys, your Bybit Pay is activated. So right here, these are the various ways that you can send and receive crypto using Bybit Pay. So I can decide to scan a QR code. If I go ahead and click on the QR Pay option, so if I'm paying for any services or any goods, I just need the QR code from the other user or from the merchant. I just scan it and then I make my payment, right? Then if I want to send crypto to any other user, I can click on the send option, and right here I have the option to send via the person's email, I can send via the person's phone number, and then I can send using the person's Bybit ID. So let's say I want to send crypto using the Bybit ID. All I just need to do is to input the Bybit ID right here, just as you can see, and then make sure you select the Bybit ID option and then input the Bybit ID. Or if you use phone number, you can input the person's registered phone number or the person's registered email, and then you go ahead and click on next. So once I click on next, it brings me to this page, and you can see right here that it populates the person's details, the person's email, and all of that just to verify. Then you can go ahead and add the amount you want to send, and you can add a note down here, right? You can add a note. So let's say giveaway or whatever I want to write here. So once I populate this information right here, I can just go ahead and click on next to send this crypto asset to this other person that I've populated the person's ID right here. And here is the best part, guys. If I was to send 28 USDT using either the 𝗘𝗲𝗀 or any other chain, I'll be paying higher. But here is the thing, I'm paying just less than 20 something cent just to send this amount. All right, so that's the beauty of using the Bybit Pay option. So this is you just click on the next option and follow the on-screen instruction to be able to send crypto to the other person using the Bybit Pay. Now if I want to receive crypto from another user, all I just need to do is to click on the receive option, and I can send this QR code right here. I can just say save QR code, and then I send it to the person. Once the person just scan this, automatically my details will be populated on the person's screen, and the person can send any amount to me. Now, if you run the crypto community and you want to do giveaway for your community, you can equally use the option that says giveaway. If you click on it, you can just follow the on-screen instruction to create a giveaway, right? You can join a giveaway or create a giveaway. If, for instance, I create a giveaway for my community, once you click on the giveaway option, you click on the join option, and then you just put in the passcode there and you join the giveaway. Or you can create a giveaway option right here. Just name them, create one, and people can start joining your giveaway. And once they meet the condition, the tokens will automatically be released to them and all of that. So that's how you use Bybit Pay, and these are some of the merchants that Bybit is currently working with. And if you visit a physical shop and you want to pay, you just use the QR Pay option, or if the person has the UID or their email address, you can use it to pay, and voila, you are good to go. It's as easy as that. Within seconds, you are already up and running. So some of the benefit you stand to gain using the Bybit Pay is, just as I said before, it supports multiple currency and you can send payment across the globe for as long as you have the other person's detail. All you just need is the person's Bybit ID, a phone number, or an email, and you can easily send payment to that person in real time, and in seconds the person is receiving that payment immediately. There is no wait time, no additional fee, no paying off or waiting for 5 working business days and all of that. And if you're a merchant, it makes it easier for you. You can leverage on the more than 60 million users on Bybit who are all over the globe and start receiving payment in crypto and fiat using the Bybit Pay option. Now, if you have stick with me till this very moment, guys, you have 13 days, just 13 days to go to participate in the Bybit Pay referral campaign, and you can start earning immediately. So all you just need to do is to share. I will leave the link to this page in the video description. You just need to come in here and register. Once you register, even if you have a Bybit account already, just register and indicate your interest. That's the only way you can actually start earning from this, right? So you just register and you can start sharing your link. There's 100,000 USDT that has been set aside for this campaign, and you can just follow this guide right here and start earning and receiving reward by just referring. Okay, so just go ahead and go to this page right now and start referring users to actually start using the Bybit Pay. So be among the first. Okay, this campaign just started and it will be ending soon. Be among the first to share this 100,000 USDT that Bybit is giving away by referring your friends to start using the Bybit Pay option. It is very simple. You just need to sign up for a Bybit account, activate Bybit Pay, and you can start spending your crypto anywhere around the world that you find yourself. And this could be using apps, website, POS systems. Anywhere you find yourself, you can start using Bybit to pay for anything that you buy. So take advantage of this right now and don't miss it, guys. That is it for this video, guys. If you have gained value from the video, smash that like button. And if you want to take advantage of all the free resources and signals that we share on a daily basis, the link to join my Telegram group will be in the video description or my bio. That is it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that whenever we publish new videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified.